HTML font label. To create a HTML font label, you use label, enter. Let me say demo, or you can put anything you want. Let's say label. Label, okay. And let me say something like your name, okay. First name. You can see the first name. Let me give space between them. Oh no, this thing is not supposed to happen. First name, okay. Then let me put a colon. This is for the label. Then we have to input the box, which is called the input. Then we'll now enter the next line and say input. Type is text. You can see the input box. You can see it. Okay. So whenever user type something here, this is a label. So let me just style this first name so it will look more reasonable. Let me use the inline. Let me use the internal styling. Say style. Inside the style, I'm targeting label. Open the, okay. Let me say border. Well, let me start with background. Background color. Okay, I'm just okay. Say background. Let me use I think doing it a background color will be better. Okay. Let me use RGB. And let me say blue. Okay. Let me use. I want something like light blue. Light blue. Okay, sky blue can do this. Okay, can see that. Okay, now let me add another one. Let me say border. Let me give it let me say 1 em. Let me see what it looks like. Let me use pixel and see if there's any much difference. Okay, let me use em. Okay, then let me add border radius. Should I do it? Let me say 4 em. Okay, I think it's too looks long. Let me do 3.5. Let me leave it at 3. How about 2? How about 1? Let me use pixel. Let's say 1 pixel, 2 pixel, about 5 pixels. Okay, I think pixels is more. Okay, let me see 6 pixel. Okay, now let me add another thing. Let me add. Should I use color now? I've already added color. Let me do padding. On left. Padding left. Let me say 1 em, 1 em. Okay, padding right, padding right. Let me use the same 1 em. Okay, you can see the padding, the effect of the padding. Okay, margin. Let me use margin. Margin right. Margin right. Let me give it 0.5 em. Okay, so you can see the space between them. Now let me do 2 em and see what it looks like. Okay, it's too spaced out, so the balls have to be a little bit closer. Let me leave it at 1 point. Let me do 1.3 and see what it looks like. It's too far. 1.1. Okay, I think it's a little bit better this way. I think we can manage it this way somehow. I think it's a little better this way. Okay. So this background, let me just let me say 1 em, 1 em. Let me use insert inset. I think that's the best word I'm looking for. Is it the best way to do this? Inset. Think don't think doing this thing would make more sense to me. Maybe like this. Okay. I think it looks a little bit okay. So you can see we have the okay. Let me do something. Let me add color. Let me change this text. The text color. Let me say color. Let me use this color azure. See what it looks like. Yeah, it looks something like it looks something reasonable a bit. Okay, so let me increase the font size. Let me give it large. Okay, because it's much more better this way. So this is it for HTML form labels. So these labels you can actually put text here. So but you can't submit it. It's just for the label. Thank you for watching.